back to my channel, and thank you for joining me for the Santa Baby Christmas in July YouTube hop. So this is a hop that I'm hosting. This is my very first one, and there are 10 designers total in this hop, and we will all be using the gorgeous Santa Baby collection by Frank Garcia. If you guys have not seen this collection yet, I do have a video where I did a haul over at Frank's studio, and I will put the link right up here so that you guys can go check it out if you guys have not seen it. Besides all the inspiration that you will get from each of the designers in this hop, there will also be some awesome giveaways. There will be one main giveaway by Frank Garcia, and I also will be having a giveaway on my channel. So if you're interested in entering any of the giveaways, please stay tuned till the end, and I will go over all the rules and what you have to do. So let me go ahead and share with you guys what I created using this gorgeous paper collection. So these are the Christmas tags that I created. Aren't they so cute? I absolutely love this collection. Just the soft colors and the pink and the mint color together, it just makes me so happy. So these candy cane tags, I first started with these. They're like chipboard candy canes that I bought at Tuesday Morning last year, and I think it comes in a pack of like 12. So what I did was I covered each one of these after I painted them with the pattern paper, and then I just embellished the heck out of them. So if you can see these bows, what I did was I scanned some of the patterns into my computer and actually printed these out on vellum. So I used several different dies. These two actually are from the Martha Stewart bow punch. So I just created some bows, and here are those amazing seitan crystals that I used in the middle. I also covered a wooden tree, and I stamped the 2 and the heart where you can put your from with some gray ink. I thought the black would just stand out way too much from these soft colors. So I adhered that, and adorning the top of it is these little tiny stars from Tim Holtz. I thought it just gave it a really cute touch. Up here, I did use one of my tag dies that has a stitching around it, and just cut out little elements. Like this one is this beautiful wreath that comes in the paper collection, and this one has the sweet macaroons and then the word cheer. So this is from the 6x6 paper pad, and these are the cut aparts. So I just carefully placed my die where I can get the most out of the image, and I love this cupcake and the Mary right there. And if you guys can see, I did shimmer each one of the little main elements as well as the sentiments if they had them. I used my Impression Obsession poinsettia die, and it makes this really, really sweet poinsettia. So I used different pattern papers, and then I actually put some seed beads in the middle of them. Well, this one is some green chunky glitter, and I like to do these in assembly line style, so I will just grab all my paper and just run it through my die cut machine over and over and over again before I assemble anything. And then I had these tiny little jingle bells that I got from, I think, my local scrapbook store last year, and I really wanted to put a little bit of a jingle to my tags. So I have 3 of these up here. So some of them have the silver and some of them have the gold. I punched a hole at the top up here, and I did include an eyelet just to give it a finished look. And then I have some eyelash trim that I tied up here so that you can tie it on any gift. You can also reuse these for ornaments if you want to, because it is really, really sturdy. And I actually adhered these tags with a brad so that they just have a little bit of movement. I just thought that was more fun. So these are my Christmas tags that I made. I think they're so shabby and so cute. And like I said, I used different bows for the centers of these tags. So this is another type of bow that I created. And these are all printed vellum. Some of them I did double up because it does make it really, really sheer if you don't. And it also makes it really sturdy. I did paint the backs of most of them just to finish it off a little bit. And then I do have my handmade little sticker back here. So those are the tags that I created. And then I did create one more item. And it's this really, really sweet ornament. Isn't that so pretty? So apparently there's a die that does this, which I didn't know. And I did it the hard way, like I normally do. And I cut this out all by hand. So as you can see, this kind of looks different than the pattern paper because this is printed on vellum. So I printed it out on some clear vellum first, and then I actually backed it with a pink vellum just to give it a little bit more color, and I think that turned out really, really pretty. So these are, I believe, 6 squares that I cut up like this and then rolled each one to create these little loops, and I think it's so pretty. I did adhere the satin crystals in the front and the back of each of the points, except for the one at the top, which I do have a eyelet installed. And then I used this really pretty and fun eyelash trim to have it as a hanger. And you can put this on your tree, and I think it's so pretty and dainty. And here's another one of those poinsettias that I told you I'd made. And if you guys can just see the detail that the die creates. So it embosses these lines for the poinsettia as well as cut the shape out. And then I did adhere another one in the back, in the middle, that's made out of vellum. I made a ton of stuff with vellum using this collection, and I just think it's a little bit different and just gives it a little bit more character. So those are the items that I created for Christmas in July. I hope you guys like them. I would love it if you guys would let me know what you guys think of what I created. I'd love it if you'd also tell me if you guys have been or are planning to, because there is a little bit of time left in this month, create any Christmas projects. So on to the giveaways. There will be one main winner from the entire hop that will be winning a $25 gift certificate that was generously donated by Frank Garcia himself for his studio. I will have the link to his shop down in the description box below. You can pick up a ton of different craft supplies as well as his paper collections, other Prima collections. If you guys have been seeing any of my recent hauls lately, it's kind of dangerous for me to go there, but I just love his studio. So I also do have a discount code for you guys. You can save 10% off your entire order if you go to Frank's online store by entering the code Christmas10. And I will have all this information down in the description box below in case you guys miss it. I will also be having a $25 gift certificate to Frank's store as well to another lucky winner. So for the main giveaway, that will be a surprise on whose channel that will be announced on. So for the giveaway rules, and this applies to any of the giveaways that will be occurring during this hop. So the giveaway will be from today until next Saturday, and that will close at 11:59 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And then we will announce all the winners to the giveaways on Sunday, the following day. So you do have some time to check out everyone's video. You must be a subscriber to everyone in the hop. So that's all 10 of us. You have to also leave a comment on every video and like every video. Please make sure when you do subscribe that your privacy settings for your channel are off, because I do need to be able to verify that you are subscribed to each one of us. If that does not happen, unfortunately, you will not be eligible. So that's it. And just enjoy the hop. I'm sure you guys will get some amazing inspiration. I'm so thankful that these awesome ladies agreed to participate in this hop. So thank you guys so much for stopping by. I hope you got some ideas for some upcoming holiday crafts, and I hope you guys are having a great weekend, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.